What's up guys, it's Andrew back with another video. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make hard hitting beats like Southside, Pyrex and so on. Before we enter the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It would help me a lot. As I told you before, I'm trying to get back in this tutorial space. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. First sound we have is this Electra X preset called Ave McCree Oscillator Volume 1. This is how it sounds. It's pretty simple. That's the thing with the Southside melodies. They are really simple. They're not complicated. Nothing is overdone. For the effects we have an EQ cutting some low end. This effect trap with the dark reflection preset. This and this portal preset. The effects are playing a pretty big role in this first melody because this is how it sounds before I apply the effects. And this is after the effects. It makes a pretty big difference if you ask me. Then I rendered out the melody, so we have a wave file and not a pattern. After I rendered the melody out, I've added another portal with a chips preset and an S1 imager to make it more stereo. Next sound I've added was this key zone classic piano. This is how it sounds. So the thing with the piano is, so it's in the D minor scale, and this D sharp is out of the scale. Don't worry, when making dark melodies, sometimes this might actually work. Actually, a lot of time it works. Just try it for yourself. For the effects on piano, we only have a EQ cutting some low ends. Next thing I've added was this other Electra X preset. It's another Ave McCree bank, and this is how it sounds. These are the effects we have on it. This Apocalypse Portal preset, this Echo Boy with the analog preset. Next thing I've added was this bell. For effects we have a reverb. Last sound I've added was this Expand All Angels preset. It's a pad, it sounds like this. And this is the pattern it follows. Pretty basic, pretty standard. For effects we have an EQ cutting low ends, a Valhalla vintage verb almost at the max, this pen made to make it go from left to right in your headphones. And last thing I've added was this first melody, pitched down one octave and reversed it, and this is how it sounds. Effects, EQ, cutting highs, cutting lows, and a reverb. And now that's pretty much it for the melody. All I've done next is route all the sounds through one mixer track, applied RC20 with the Vinyl 3 preset, this Devil Lock to make it more distorted, and this Ozone 9 with imager and excitement on the highs to mids frequencies. And this is the final loop. Now to complete the video, I'm going to show you some drums. We got the classic spins at away. The rack kick, complementing the 808. Got this 808 Mafia snare. This counter snare. The snare rolls at the end. This hi-hat. Open hat, reverse open hat, these perks, and this rip. Overall the jumps together sound like this. This is the final beat. Thank you guys once again for watching. I'm Andrew. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Andrew, please shut the fuck up.